Maria, Maria. She reminds me of a West Side Story. Growing up in Spanish Harlem.
Okay, you guys, so...
Do you think for one moment that I would allow you to do that to me out of him? And if I was strong enough, I would have done it myself.
Jesus. Oof, I gotta pause this show, y'all. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how I styled my beautiful Aligrace Peruvian Straight hair, just keep watching.
I don't know if you can take it. No, you wanna see me naked, naked. I wanna be your baby, baby, baby. Spinning in his bed just like he can for me, take. Why go sit on the brown curve? When I get like this, I can't be around you. I'm too late to dim down the lights. I can do some things that I don't do. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is a wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is a wow. I heard it got each other going crazy. Yeah, treat it like a lady. Fuck it till you burned out, cremation. Make it creamy and Wu-Tang. Throw that ass back bouquet. Call me and I can get it to say. I can tell you're gone if you do say. Yeah, for mama, what would you say? You talking to me like a new babe. Go talking like you're trying to do things. Not the fiber gonna run it like sugar, same baby. You made me drowning in that O2 baby. I'm carrying the water, but we both share, baby. You know I'm a starter like I'm Jason. I say why I got it over safety. Why go wasting around me, girl? I probably shouldn't be around you. Wow, wow, wow. Looking like there's nothing that you won't do. And yeah, that's what I told you. When I'm with you, all I get is a wow. Wow, wow, wow. She reminds me of a West Side Story. Wow, wow, wow. Growing up in Spanish Harlem. Wow, wow, wow. Living a life just like a movie star. Maria, Maria. You fell in love with me today. Wow, wow, wow. To the sound of the guitar. Wow, wow. Playing by Carlos Santana. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is make it. I wanna be your baby, baby, baby. Spending minutes with just like he can be me thick. Like I was sit on the brown liquor. When I get like this, I can't be around you. I'm too late to dim down. I can do some things that I don't do. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is a wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is a wow.
Alright y'all, so this hair is absolutely beautiful. It styles very beautifully. Of course it's a straight hair, so if you're looking for something that's going to hold tight curls and do all the extra, make sure you get yourself a very strong holding spray, and it does hold curls. I just washed it and I didn't feel like putting all the products in it. When it loosens out, it looks good to me. It's just really wavy. But yeah, this hair is very beautiful. It's extremely affordable. I'm going to put all the information that you need down in the description box. And I'm also going to link my video that I did reviewing this hair initially. I've had it for about 5 months now, and I would rate it like a solid 9 out of 10. I really love this hair.
Talking to me like a new babe. Go talking like you're trying to do things. Not the type of girl to run it like.
So yeah, I recommend that you guys check this hair out. I love it. I'll link all the information down below. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up for me. Comment any questions that you might have. Please subscribe. Become a part of our growing family.
There's nothing that you won't do. And that's when I told you. When I'm with you, all I get is a wow.